In this video, I'll show you how to connect your soundbar to your cable box or the cable box to the soundbar, same thing, using an HDMI cable. So let's get started. Look on the back of your cable box and you should see an HDMI connector. Just to help you, I'll put on the screen many different cable boxes just to show you where the HDMI connector is located. So take your HDMI cable and connect one end in that port. Next step is to go on the back of your soundbar. Take a look. If you only have one HDMI connector, like in my case, this is USB and this is optical, so I only have one HDMI connector, then we'll have to connect the cable box to the TV and the soundbar to the TV. If your soundbar has multiple HDMI ports in the back, like the one that I'm showing you right now on the screen, you need to connect the HDMI cable that we have connected previously to the cable box in the HDMI port that is saying HDMI in. Do not connect your cable box in the port that says HDMI ARC on the soundbar. Then you'll have to connect the soundbar to your TV. So take another HDMI cable and connect in the port that says ARC on the back of the soundbar. Or if, just like mine, you only have one port, well, use that port. Like that. I'll put links in the description, by the way, if you don't have HDMI cables. I'll put links through Amazon. Usually it's the cheapest place to get them quick. Now go in the back of your TV. If you had the soundbar that only has one HDMI cable in the back, you're gonna take the HDMI cable you have connected there and you're gonna connect this cable over here in the port that says HDMI EARC or HDMI ARC on the back of your TV. Then connect another HDMI cable from the back of your cable box where it says HDMI and the other end of that HDMI cable in the back of your TV in another HDMI port, no matter which one. Just remember which number it is. So over here it's HDMI 1. This other end was connected in the back of my cable box. If your soundbar had multiple HDMI ports and you have already connected your cable box in the back of that soundbar in one of those HDMI ports, take an HDMI cable, connect it from the ARC port in the back of your soundbar to the ARC port in the back of your TV. You will obviously not have this cable connected. Next step is to go on your soundbar, power it on, and use the input selector. Some soundbars have a button over here, sometimes it's over here. Tap on it and you can check the display or a voice of the soundbar will tell you. And you need to select HDMI as an input or ARC. This LG soundbar will say optical ARC. It's the same thing. Next, take your TV remote control, press the inputs on this LG model. This is the button to the inputs and you're going to see all your HDMI connections. And now you can go ahead and select the HDMI ARC connection. Remember which number it was on the back of your TV. This way, depending again which setup you have chosen, you'll be able to see whatever the cable box is displaying on your TV and the sound will come out of your soundbar. If you have issues, one piece of advice that I can give you is to go into the audio settings of your TV. I'll show you on this LG TV how it's done. So once I open settings by pressing the settings button, I'll go down this menu where I see all settings. Then sound. In sound, I'll select advanced settings. I'll go down this menu, select HDMI input audio format. And over here, I can select example for HDMI 1, PCM, but if your TV has Dolby Audio and other options, you'll be able to select them. So go ahead and choose another HDMI format because maybe your TV didn't detect the right one for your soundbar or for your cable box. So by trying different options over here, you'll be able to get the sound out of your soundbar. But overall, this is it. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment down below. If you think I can improve the way I explain things, again, leave a comment. I'm always looking to improve, and I'll see you in the next video.